Hey everyone, welcome to CodeCraft with Ayush. Today I'm going to show you how to install R and RStudio on Windows in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First open your browser and simply search for RStudio. When the search result appear, click the first result RStudio desktop https://posit.co. Once you are on the page, scroll down. Here you see two options, install R and install RStudio. Since we need to install R first, so click on the download and install R button. You will now redirect it to new page, run. I have also placed the link in the description to make it easy for you. Here you see download options for Linux, Mac and Windows. Since we are on Windows, so click on download R for Windows. Here you just click on install R for first time. Next click on download R 4.4.2 for Windows. So 4.4.2 is the latest version. At the time when I am making this video, the download will start automatically. Wait for it to complete. Once the download finishes, locate the downloaded.exe file and double click it. When Windows asks for a permission, click yes. A setup wizard will open. Now select a language. The default is English. Just click on OK. License agreement. Accept the license terms by clicking next. Now installation location. The default is C program files. If you prefer a different folder, click browse to choose your location. Otherwise give default. And then click next. Component selection. The default component main file, 64-bit files and message translations are all selected. So simply just click next. Startup options, just select no. Default settings and click next. Start menu folder, leave it as the default, then click next. Additional task, here I am also marking to create a quick launch shortcut. Now click install and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, click finish. You should now see an R shortcut on your desktop. That means your R is successfully installed. Next, let's install RStudio. Go back to your browser and just go to your first tab again where you saw RStudio desktop. Click on RStudio desktop for Windows. The download will start. Wait for it to complete. Once the file is downloaded, just double click it and click yes when prompted by Windows. A setup wizard for RStudio will appear with an welcome message. So click next on the welcome screen. Choose the installation location. The default is C, program files. Change it if you want by clicking on browse option, or otherwise just click install. Wait for the installation to complete. and then click Finish. Your R and RStudio installation is now completed. Now it's time to run our first R program. So click on Windows search bar and type RStudio and launch the RStudio. When RStudio opens, it will prompt you to select the version of R to use. Choose the default 64-bit version on your machine and click OK. You will see the RStudio interface. To enable automated cache reporting, click Yes. Now let's clear the console. To start fresh, go to Edit menu and click Clear Console. Now next, let's verify our R installation. Just type version and press Enter. You should see the complete version information displayed. Finally, let's print some message. And just hit enter. You should see the output Hello CodeCraftWithAyush is printed, and that it's you have successfully installed R and RStudio on Windows. Run your first R program. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop any question or comment below. Thanks for watching.